What that means, and you see how slow we're going? So guess what? You got it. Next service area is 32 miles, so you better get it while the getting is good. I'm here April 2025. A few years ago, well actually 2020, when the governor gave us the go-ahead to travel within our own state, as long as we adhere to, some protocols back then, we took off. And we did travel within our own state. And at the time, a lot of the service areas on the New York State Thruway, which consists of I-87 and I-90, some of them were being redone. So it's nice to now come back. I've seen some since then, but it's really nice to come back and see, what they've done. And I'm always concerned about the pet areas. They have a dog run here. This is amazing. I hope the owners take advantage of that and stay within that area. You see the great hills of New York State here. We're approaching Catskill region. There is a play area. This one's a little small. At other New York State rest areas I've seen where it's been a little bit more extensive. And here you can recycle whatever you took out of your car. Let's see if this works. It does. Normally I take the stairs, but I'm gonna go up the escalator. I love Sloatsburg. I could actually do the whole tour from up here. Yeah, the services that they have. And here's the services over there. Now over here, you can really relax. Busloads. How about that? I think there's Wi-Fi here. I'm pretty sure, for some reason, I don't know why I think that. Maybe not. Okay. So, the actually reconstructed. They literally tore down the old ones and built up the new ones. The reconstructed ones, they look similar in features, but some of them are different in designs. Your water, including one for the water bottles. Changing station over there. Somebody's over there, so I'm not going to walk too close. And then you have a wheelchair or a family, one here and one over, not that door, the second door. Artwork. The individualized stations. Oh, the convenience store. Okay. Oh, these are nice. Cards. Okay. A lot of stuff. Enough snacks for everyone. If you most definitely. Oh, they got sandwiches here. And salad. Wow. Cool. Self-checkout. Coffee, hot chocolate. No, coffee. That's half and half. All right. Yep, self-checkout. Pretty cool. A lot of places for people to sit. Charge up, plug in, use the Wi-Fi, really take a break. This one really gives you a nice choice. They decided to divide up the coffee, so they have 2 coffee brands here, which is good because this way the lines are not long. And the place is a little bigger than it looks. Another seating area. I didn't see. Let me see if I can find the brochures. I'm glad I came at non-peak time because then you can get a good idea of what the place looks like without a whole lot of people. I don't see. Oh, they were upstairs, right? Let me see. That would be it. That's right. Okay. Whether they're getting ready to open it up or shut it down, I don't know. Lounge. Of course, the views of the parking lot, but if you look beyond what you see. All right, well, since there's nobody in here, I'm gonna finish my video up in here. How about that? There's a gas station back there. I'm gonna drive out that way. And sibling rest area back there. So, all right, this is the truck area. And yes, it looks like I can walk around. Woo, sorry, that truck is really loud. A lot of places. So, I remember this one, Sloatsburg. And I think the old version also had a 2nd floor. So they're calling it the largest of the New York State travel plazas. That's kind of nice. Nicely landscaped. We already saw the dog run. I'm glad I came out this side. But here's the official. This is the bigger entrance here. And of course, you're going to get your historical information. That was the sidewalk there. It ended over there. I had to walk on the street here. So it's best that you come in and out the same entrance. That goes for the trucks and that goes for the cars. Just one critique. Hopefully they reopened the Welcome Center, the tourist office, and I'm really surprised at how small that playground is. So that's a problem because if this is the largest travel plaza, it should have a larger playground. I have seen larger playgrounds at other travel plazas on I-87 for New York State. Okay, so if you parked on the car side, you will drive out to the gas station area. So this is the entrance that you should go in. I came out the other side. You can't walk all the way around, so if you want to stretch your legs, I don't know what to tell you. But then you come out over here, and then there's your gas station. That was the main entrance I was talking about. Well, didn't really see it. Lots of trucks here, lots of space for trucks. If you want to get gas, you go this way, and they have another convenience store over there. And we've seen a lot of A pluses before. I don't really need to go in there. That one will probably be open a little bit more or longer sometimes than whatever closes down inside. So that is it. So we just left the Sloatsburg Travel Plaza, excuse me. Sorry, that was the Sloatsburg Travel Plaza on the New York State Thruway. I'm on the I-87 north, as if I were going from New York City to Albany. And we're gonna head on down I-87 here and see if we can catch up with another one. I'll meet you there, okay? All right.